Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove NitroPack Watermark from footer in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see NitroPack Watermark. Now we are going to remove this. Go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see header and footer, so click on it. Now global header and footer section open. Now we are going to add code in header section. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we added jQuery code and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Now on left side you see setting and then you see NitroPack, so click on it. Now you see optimize pages and then you see button purge cache, so click on it. Now they are optimized pages again. Now we are going to check. Now refresh the page. Now add URL. Now scroll down. You see NitroPack footer mark remove by adding code, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.